In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively delete an unwanted page in Google Docs. Whether you're dealing with a blank page or one filled with text, this guide will help you clean up your document with ease and precision. Let's dive right in and tackle the steps one by one. First, you'll want to open your document in Google Docs. This is the initial step, and while it may seem straightforward, ensure that you're opening the correct document to avoid any unnecessary edits. Once your document is open, it's time to locate the page you want to remove. This could be a completely blank page distracting your flow, or a page full of content that's no longer necessary. If the offending page is populated with content, you'll need to highlight everything on that page. Position your cursor at the very start of the content. You have a couple of options here. You can either click and drag your mouse downwards to select all the text, or, for a more precise touch, use the Shift key combined with the down arrow. This keyboard shortcut is particularly useful if you're dealing with a substantial amount of text. The goal here is to highlight every bit of content so that it can be promptly removed. With the text highlighted, it's time for the decisive move. Simply press the Delete key or backspace on your keyboard. Once you do this, the content will vanish, and you'll notice that Google Docs seamlessly merges the pages. This clever feature eliminates the unwanted page, leaving your document tidy and organized. Now, you might encounter some situations where a blank page is still lurking around even after deleting content. This can happen due to lingering formatting or spacing issues from before. If that's the case, a quick check for extra spaces or line breaks at the end of your document might be the solution. Removing these can often solve the problem. Remember, Google Docs is designed to automatically adjust your document structure as you edit. So, after following these steps, the unnecessary pages should seamlessly disappear, preserving the flow and appearance of your work. Congratulations, you just learned how to remove unwanted pages in Google Docs. This simple yet effective process can help you maintain a professional and streamlined document, free from unwanted clutter. Whether you're finalizing a report or crafting a creative piece, keeping your pages neat is key. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy editing!